Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a little challenge. So I'm gonna challenge myself here. I've just sent out 2 pieces of happy birthday mail to some subbies of mine, and these are the scraps that I have from them. I do want to try to use this up as much as possible, you know, making whatever I can come up and make with these. Wish me luck. I'll be back to share what I did and how much paper I have left. Joy, joy. Okay, so these are the items I made with my little challenge I gave myself. I did use up all the scraps, and so that was kind of amazing. But so let me just share. I did make 2 different cards. They're blank on the inside. If you watch my channel, you know I'm always in need of happy birthday cards or thank you cards. So these are the cards that I made. And then I also embellished this pocket. I made these pocket book pages, pockets out of book pages, and I will link that video here if you've missed it. And then I've just added a tag that I received from a crafty friend. Thank you, Susan. And I've added 2 rosettes that I can gift in this pocket. I also made another rosette with these flag tails. And I made these bag toppers with the Mickey heads. So yeah, that was my little challenge. Accomplished. Thanks. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you and your support for this channel. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.